Hello everyone, this is my review of the Mavuno Harvest dried fruit variety pack. This pack has 3 different flavors. First one here is jackfruit. Let's just see the package here and the nutrition facts there. And the next one we have is pineapple. I like the pineapple. You can see the nutrition facts there for this one. And the next one we have is mango. I really like the mango dry fruit. It's nice and chewy and everything. I'll let you see the nutrition facts there for this one as well. And I guess I'll open them up and let you take a look inside too. Here is the pineapple. And here is the mango. I hope this review helps.